All right, we are now headed to a car meet. I'm about to get there in like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I'm gonna start recording when I get on the highway again, because this is gonna be kind of boring. We're on the highway. Recording as junk. Let's go. Yeah, my fellow biker friend. Let me catch up to him, bro. Let me catch up to my fellow biker friend, bro. Yo, my fellow biker friend, what's good? Motherfucker over here, he's cruising, bro. He's chilling. I see the hard rock. Let's go. There she is, Hard Rock Cafe. Damn, look how beautiful it is. It's either A, I'm early, or B, it's not here. Oh, it's definitely here. Yeah, I see the supercars there. You think I park here? I'm parking the shade, twin. It's man, want to move your bike, imagine, bro. That's fucking hilarious, twin. Alright, we made it to the car meet. We're here with the Ferraris and shit. Pretty dope, pretty dope. Got the Triumph Speed Triple. With the Ferraris and shit. You know, the Lambo's over there. Alright, let's get it. Holy fuck. That shit is clean as hell, twin. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's gonna shut down if it doesn't get the fan. So I must sweat.
Oh my. This shit looks like a shark. I'm not gonna lie with you guys. Holy Rari. Oh my god. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
Bro. Wow. Holy Bugatti.
Really?
Holy Pagani.
You're getting in the way of his
You're good, bro. You're good.
Oh, okay, so it's not even.
Can't even see him, bro. This is crazy. Shit is nuts, bro. Bro, they open this shit up. Actually insane. Yo, they have, bro, the car that fucking broke 300 miles an hour. This shit is wild. Bad GT, oh my god. 310. Mercy?
I couldn't even see. I was so excited.
Sick. McLarens over here. What is this? The new one? This is wild. Yo.
Oh no, we
Stop like that. This is clean. Alright. We're leaving the car meet. Holy shit. What the fuck's the Golf? Holy shit. Look at the road fastest car in front of me. I'm leaving. What the fuck? That's just insane. Yo, Miata friend! Yo! Let's go! That's fucking sick!